I know what you're thinking right now. You showed me how to bury or dig. So I started to dig, but you forgot to show me how to woof to be in a position to get those returns. Claim those returns that's right here. I would just focus on burying and digging, but don't miss the woof aspect. Don't forget to woof. In this video, I'm going to show you how to woof. And if you already dig, go back and woof, and you can get those type of returns, at least be in a position to get those returns, get those extra bones. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to focus more on woof today and why it's important to stake the Shibaswap liquidity pool and claim those returns. So let's go ahead and do this. It's okay. I'm so excited. I got a little bit of Starbucks, and we're going to go ahead and have some fun today. So here is the woof area. Now, when woof, I like this part here because I get a chance to double and triple my actually returns when it comes to bone. Now, this is the pairing that we did for digging. And so we did two pairings. We had Shiba and Ethereum, and we're doing that right now. And how you do that, you're going to add a deposit like this one here. So add liquidity, add the deposit on there. So let me go. I think I pressed the wrong button. Sorry about that. So what we want to do is add the deposit. We're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you actually how to do that. Really simple and really easy. But I want to show you, if you already start to dig, look at your pairings. So look at your pairings and add a deposit here before you can start adding that bone. You see that wolf bone here? You want to make sure it says this. So Shiba Ethereum, that's the pairing I did for digging. And now you want to go ahead and add a deposit before you can start earning bone. So just like that. You see how that bone is going up? The bone is going up. The bone is going up. And we did another pairing, which is, what's the other pairing? Bone and Ethereum. Here's the other one. So now I've already earned a 1 bone already for just doing this. So I just wanted to show you exactly how that works. So let me go back, and we're going to add liquidity. Let me see if we can add some liquidity to this. See if we have any. Okay, so supply, got 14 bone. We got 14 bone. We got the 14 bone. Okay, so let me go and see what we have. So we're gonna go ahead and add this in here. I want to see how many bone I have. So if you have any bone, okay, so we got bone here. So your tokens of here. So I do have some bones here. We're gonna add the liquidity inside here, for we can go ahead and deposit that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to bone and Ethereum, right? All I'm gonna do is just add some liquidity, right? Now, if I go back to my Coinbase wallet, let me go back. Coinbase wallet. Okay, so I got $91.73. So I've got that much. So I got a little bit to work with when it comes to the gas fees. I'm gonna add supply, and then this is you will receive this deal. Okay, then okay. Confirm that, and then right now, let me see here. Here's the miner fee. We're gonna pay that. Don't forget to woof. So I apologize on that. I do apologize not showing you how to do that, but just go back, add some liquidity, add a deposit. Actually, add a deposit on there. So if you already did, go back to the pairing, and then just place a deposit on there so you can start earning that extra bone. So just do that, definitely. So it is asking me to put my pin in there, and here is the pay. Woof. So now I woofed from the digging part. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to okay, so you know what? Actually, you know what they did? Okay, you know what I'm gonna have to do? I just added liquidity part on this, so I'm gonna have to start completely over on here. I'm trying to find one I can add more to deposit. So I may have to find another example. So what I did was I added some liquidity on here. And so what happens is it just basically put in a position to earn more bone. That's basically what it did. Now, what it would have done is if I need to add a deposit on any of these type of things, I can go ahead and do so. Ah, there we go. We did it. We did it. So I wanted to show you that. Okay, so we got it. Because I was first seeing like, why wasn't it working here? So this is what it looks like when you're pairing your actually assets together. So you want to add the deposit on here. I was wondering, like, I thought I might have to do something else, but no. So here's the deposit, confirm on my phone. And let me go ahead and show you because I'm transparent. Confirm. We want to confirm that. And then here's the pin, going really slow for you. Deposit, look, that went down. Remember that was $91, now it's $14. And so now that should be, look at that. Bone Ethereum is together now. So, so woof. So now we're woofing. So there we go. So we add even more into that as well. So I'm just showing you an example how that works. So now I'm positioned to earn the bone. I just basically added it back in there just to show you this prime example. I just want to show you how to deposit it in there to add it more into the liquidity pool to earn extra bone. And the pairing I did was bone and Ethereum. Why should you use Woof? Just like it says right here. When you deposit or withdraw and SSLP stands for Shibaswap Liquidity Pool. All of your pending bone for that pool will be woofed automatically. Read more about how to claim your returns. And if you wanted to go here, I'm gonna go back here. And you see this bone's moving pretty good. So in order to claim your dig returns, you must deposit the Shibaswap liquidity provider, not pool, but provider, apologize, tokens into the allocated pair box. During that time, the Shibaswap liquidity provider is deposited and returns are occurred in real time. So that's exactly what's happening right now. That's exactly what's right now. We added a deposit in there. Make sure you have enough Ethereum. If you're using your MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or your Coinbase wallet, that's important. I mean, it's always important to at least have some liquidity, some Ethereum there if it can cover the fees, just like you just saw there. And this is the pairing we did before. So we almost got a bone now. And this one here, we almost got another bone too. Because remember, we already earned a bone already. Remember, we had that one bone there? Now we're working on getting another bone. You see what I'm saying? So we're working on getting more bones. So the whole part of this is basically to earn more bone. Bone is worth $4.82 right now. I don't think that's going to stay that low, for a long time. Look at this. Look at this. The total value locked is going up. I'm telling you, this is a good time to really consider adding more Shiba, adding more bone, and adding more leash. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. I just feel that this is a great time to start to reconsider. I know things are probably not going the way you might want it, but having this whole entire ecosystem is just fantastic. And it's a learning experience, really is. I mean, it's always something new that comes out here about woofing, because I was so focused on digging. But then again, after you dig, you do have to woof. So if you're watching this video for the first time or the second or third time, if you've been digging, come back here and add a deposit here so you can start earning that bone, that extra bone. I'm just telling you, any of these pairings that you're using to add in liquidity, you want to make sure you approve it and you're adding extra bone. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So leash and Ethereum. Check something out here. Leash and Ethereum. Let me see here. I'm going to confirm this. I don't think I have anything in there. I'm just double checking something real quick. But see, you want to make sure you are. Make sure you are actually using your pairing. So I got LEASH in Ethereum. I want to see if do I have a pairing in there. I'm just going to double check to see if there's any pairing in there. But I'm going to automatically just get everything ready to be able to earn extra bone. Bone almost there. And we can check on how this is going. This is heating up right now. So, and then it's automatically happening. You know what I'm saying? So I don't see an ecosystem like this. I hear people saying scams. I hear seeing people. Don't worry about the fees either. I understand crypto.com. That's just one of several places you can get Shibaswap from or Shiba from. But I mean, that 5 million, I get it. I get it though. I mean, I felt it because I did the same thing. Majority of my stuff was, well, I had some Shiba on crypto.com as well. But it's a learning lesson. It's a learning lesson. Now I get it on Coinbase wallet. You know, I get it on Coinbase wallet and I just basically, you know, use it, the Shibaswap ecosystem, to earn more extra rewards. And that's basically what I do. You know, that's what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I don't have anything to add in here. I have nothing to add in here. So I'm gonna add anything in the LEASH and the Ethereum pairing. So not adding anything in there. But this is what I wanted to talk about. Adding your deposit. Just repeating, adding your deposit when you pair. When you pair. And actually, you can start your pairing really from here. So you can go here at liquidity, and then they'll redirect you back to the digging part. Then you go ahead and match this up, add this up here by clicking on max, or just put the number that you want to add in here. After it's digging, come back to Woof, find that pairing and approve it, and then add a deposit on there for you can go ahead and start earning that extra rewards. So I'm so excited to have this for you, man. So Woof, you definitely want to Woof. And also look at this over here. 7 days, we're going to see what this stuff is going to be updated. And so it's very, very important to find out what happened. And look at this, the next Woof in 179 days and 23 hours, 53 minutes, and 57 seconds. It's the next Woof end day. So that's going to be something to really think about and consider. And in 7 days, of course, it is going to be on when it comes to Woof as well. So watch this video multiple times. Don't get discouraged. This is an exciting time to be a part of the Shibaswap ecosystem. I understand there's other assets out there. You should always consider, you know, always adding more to your portfolio. This is not financial advice, but you do want to diversify at some point of your portfolio. And Shibaswap, I'm telling you, the ecosystem is fantastic. You can do so many different things with it, but don't forget the Woof. Don't forget the Woof. Don't forget the Woof. Woof. Don't forget the Woof after you dig. After you dig. Okay. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Click on the links below. You can get Shiba on actually Qcoin, and there's another link down there. You can get it. I can't wait till it get on actually Coinbase, because once it gets on Coinbase, it's going to make the Coinbase wallet and all that so much easier, because the Coinbase wallet, it can sync into Coinbase itself, because there's 3 different Coinbase: Coinbase Pro, Coinbase itself, and then Coinbase Wallet, which you see over here on the screen here. You can connect those things together, and it makes it easier to buy, and it makes it easy to transfer. So I can't wait till it goes on Coinbase, because it'll be so much easier to do. And we'll do a step-by-step training on how to do that once that gets launched. So my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget the Woof when you dig, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. Don't forget the Woof. Don't forget the Woof. I'll see you later.